Hi everyone, it's Miss Rhonda. It's fall time and I'm all excited. We got pumpkins in season, and so I got excited to make some of our pumpkin dishes, and I know how much you guys always enjoy me making the pumpkin dip, and I think I'll do that next. But today I wanted to use some pumpkin oatmeal. It's baked pumpkin oatmeal, and it's a great breakfast or anytime snack that you can have. So it's really simple. You can look the recipes up. There's many of them online. But I started with 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. And in that, I put in 2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and about 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. So I'm going to add those to my bowl. That's the dry ingredients. And spoon, stir that up. So my wet ingredients is 1 egg, it is a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1½ cups of milk, and a can of pumpkin. So I'm going to add my pumpkin. So this recipe uses canned pumpkin, or if you've roasted some of your own pumpkin, it would be delicious with that. I'm going to mix the wet ingredients up really well and add them to the dry. Actually, I'm making a smaller version of this recipe. It's just me, so I didn't need a whole lot. So I just added all those wet ingredients to my oats. I'm going to stir that up. And I sprayed a nonstick spray in a dish. This dish, the whole recipe makes about a 13 by 9 inch pan. So I just converted it a little, made it smaller. Now I'm simply going to pour that in to my dish. I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. And so when it comes out of the oven, it looks like this. So you can see that it's more pudding consistency. And in the morning, all I've got to do is just pour a little milk on top, heat it in the microwave, and enjoy a delicious breakfast that is so full of nutrients because of the bright orange pumpkin and the whole grain oats. Very little sweetener. I put pumpkin pie spice in it too. I love that. So I hope you guys will enjoy making a baked pumpkin oatmeal, and we'll do this again soon. Take care.